I Can Find It, The Rainy Day by Kim Anderson, illustrated by Naomi Landry. Oliver wakes up to a magical sound. Pitter patter, pitter patter. He rushes to the window. It is cool and drizzly outside. Yay! Rainy days are Oliver's favorite. Oliver will spend today with his grandpa. They both love the rain. Oliver starts to gather everything he needs for his special day. Come along and help. Oliver looks for something to keep himself warm. He has lots of sweaters, but his blue sweater with green stripes is the thickest one of all. Can you find Oliver's blue sweater with green stripes? Oliver looks for a pair of socks to keep his toes cozy. The bumpy, lumpy red ones that Grandma needed for him are just right. Can you find Oliver's bumpy, lumpy red socks? Oliver heads to the kitchen. He wants to find a snack to share with Grandpa. Grandpa likes sweet purple plums. Oliver likes them too. Can you find 6 sweet purple plums? Boots will keep Oliver's feet dry. His whole family has yellow boots, but Oliver's boots are special. They have smiley faces on the toes. Can you find Oliver's special smiley face boots? Oliver looks for a polka dot umbrella in the bin by the door. It has a curved wooden handle. It is big enough for 2. Can you find Oliver's polka dot umbrella with its curved wooden handle? Grandpa has arrived. He looks for his rain hat. It is fluffy and green with a red band. Do you see Grandpa's fluffy green hat with a red band? Oliver and Grandpa head to Grandpa's car. It is round and silver. Oliver thinks Grandpa's car looks like a spaceship. Where is Grandpa's round and silver car? Oliver and Grandpa drive to a quiet pond. Grandpa asks Oliver to look for 2 smooth, flat stones. Can you help Oliver to find 2 smooth, flat stones? Grandpa teaches Oliver how to skip stones. He holds a stone with his thumb and his finger. He throws it. The stone hops across the water. Hop, hop, hop. Oliver loves spending rainy days with his grandpa. I hope you enjoyed this book, and every weekend I'm gonna read to you a book or 2. So hope you like it. Until next time, guys, enjoy the rain outside. It is raining and you could have so much fun. Until next time, everybody. Bye.